terminal housing of a recessed luminaire is a compartment or enclosure located on the back or sides of the fixture where electrical connections are made. It typically contains the electrical terminals, wire nuts, and junction points for connecting the fixture to the branch circuit wiring. According to the National Electrical Code, it is permitted to run 3/8 flexible metal conduit from a junction box supplying the lighting circuit to the feed-through box on a recessed incandescent light fixture. Section 410.24 C3 states that flexible metal conduit can be used for lighting equipment and luminaires that are listed for use with flexible metal conduit. Section 410.24 D outlines that flexible metal conduit must be protected from physical damage by encasing it in at least 2 inches of concrete or other approved means. If the flexible metal conduit is exposed or runs through an accessible ceiling, it must be enclosed in a non-metallic sheath or other approved means. Section 410.24 E dictates that the fittings used to connect flexible metal conduit to the luminaire and junction box must be listed for use with flexible metal conduit. Section 410.30 states that the minimum size flexible metal conduit that can be used for recessed luminaires is 3/8 inch. Flexible metal conduit must be securely fastened to the junction box and the feed-through box on the luminaire. The use of flexible metal conduit with recessed luminaires is typically limited to short runs and exposed areas, such as in drop ceilings or inaccessible ceiling spaces. Flexible metal conduit should not be used in concealed spaces or where it may be subjected to excessive heat or moisture.